In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the MACZ indicator in TradingView Pro with a quick and easy step-by-step guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market you like, the process is exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the indicators button. This is usually located above the chart area near the toolbar where you change timeframes and chart types. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open up the Indicators and Strategies panel. When that panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click inside the search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Taking a second to make sure you're in the right search field will save you some frustration, especially if you have multiple tabs or windows open. Now, in that search bar, carefully type MACZ indicator. Make sure you spell it correctly, including the dash, so TradingView can find the exact tool you're looking for. As you type, TradingView will start showing results in real time just below the search box. When you see the MACZ indicator appear in the list, hover over it to confirm it's the one you want, then click on it. As soon as you do this, the indicator will automatically be added to your current chart. Once the MACZ indicator is loaded on your chart, you'll see its name appear in the list of active indicators, usually along the top of the chart or in the data window area. To customize it, move your cursor over the MACZ label and click on the settings icon that appears, typically represented by a small gear. This opens the settings panel for the indicator. Inside the settings window, you'll be able to adjust inputs, colors, and visual styles to better match your trading strategy and make it easier to read. Take a bit of time to explore these options and set them in a way that makes sense to you. When you're happy with the configuration, click OK or Apply to save those changes and close the window. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more charts, more indicators, and extra features, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you can follow along with every feature I show and get the full benefit of the MACZ indicator inside TradingView Pro.